Hello guys, I'm David Setiabudi, and today we are going to learn about loop structures in the pseudocode. Let's begin. Now, as you know, the loop structures, there are three types. The first one in the pseudocode loop structures is for, to, and next. For to next. This is the first one. I'll give you the example, but if you want to write down anything about pseudocode, you need to use the font Courier New. This one I'm going to change for the font size. Now for to and next. For, it's bold. I'm going to make it normal. For, you need to make it in capital letters. For counting, let's say counting. For counting, insert symbol. We use the leftward arrow. For counting equals to, we don't use equals to, but using leftward arrow. Since this one is a pseudocode, so we use leftward arrow. For countings equals to 1, 2, let's say 3. I'll make it 3. For counting 1 up until 3, and then you have to write down next. You put a space first and then next. If you have 4 and 2, you should have next. So this one is one set. In here, in between 4 and next, you should indent 2 spaces and then put the actions, not just one action. You can put a lot of actions in between of 4, 2, and next. 4 and next, you can put in between. So let's say I'm going to do here, print David. So what happen if we execute this command, this program? It will create David, David, David. Why I don't choose another word? I choose David because I want to make myself famous. Just kidding. Now, if you do this, it will print David, David, David 3 times. Why it does like that, I'm going to explain that to you. The first time, its counting is 1. So the minimum is 1. Started with 1 up until 3. So remember, counting is 1, and then it will goes down. First line goes to the second line. It has to be in order. And then it will print David in the counting of 1. And then it goes to the next. Next, it goes up again. It bounces. For counting 1, print David, bounce up, and then it will print another David. Then, after counting is 2, here it bounces up again, and then here it becomes 3. And then at the counting 3, it prints David once more. So that means, it will print 3 times. After 3 times, the next is not working. So it will go down. Finished. Because it's empty. This will print David up until 3 times. But what happens if I write down like this? David, or let's say I'm going to change it into hello, hello, and comma, counting. What will happen if this code execute? Right. So the first one, it will type hello, it will print hello, and then comma, comma, counting. Because At this time, counting is 1. Okay, counting is 1 for the first time. This one becomes 1. This variable will change into the content, which is 1. Hello 1. It goes to the next, it bounces up. Then it will become hello 2. After it's printing hello 2, it goes next, it bounces up because it hasn't reached 3. So now the counting is 3, and then print hello 3. Now, do you guys understand how the for to next works? That is the first one. If you put space here, then it has space. But if you don't put space here, and the space will be gone. You can also choose to put plus. If you put plus, okay, we only using for print, we are only using plus and comma. But if you use plus, then this one has a space. Okay, hello plus. Plus means a space. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3. But then if you use comma, it will become like this. I hope you already understand about the first one is for, to, and next. And now, we are going for the second one. It's about repeat until. Okay, as usual, we are going to use the font Courier New, not bold, 14. But if you want to use 12, it's okay. Now, repeat until. I'm going to give you a sample. As usual, we have to write down repeat and until in capital. Repeat, okay. Oh, wait. Repeat and then until. But we need to put something here, okay? Now, repeat until. Put 2 space for the action and then print hello. And then if you write down like this, what is the result? Error. You need to put until what? If you, let's say you put until, okay, until counting, insert symbol, leftward arrow, until 3. Is it working? No, you need to put some things before here. Okay, now, if you type down like this, what will happen? Counting is 1, and then repeat print hello until counting is 3. Guess, what will happen if I execute this code? Okay, actually, okay, counting is 1 and print hello. It will print, wait, hello, 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 unlimited. It's not just 5 or 3. It will print millions and millions and millions unlimited hellos. Why does it happen? Because it's like this. Okay, remember, counting is 1, repeat, okay, and the repeat, the counting is still 1. Here, print hello. You print 1 hello here. And then until counting is 3. It's still 1. It doesn't change. It's still 1. Counting is still 1. And then counting until counting is 3, it will go here in the repeat. Bounce up. It bounces up. Then the counting is still 1. Print hello. Counting is still 1. Still 1. It doesn't change. And then repeat counting. And then you print hello again up until a million more. Okay? So what things you need to do here is you need to change for the counting, of course. Counting plus 1. You need to add. So here, now the counting is 1. Okay, let's see how it works. So counting is 1. And then repeat and print hello. It will print hello. Counting is 1. And then here, counting becomes 2. Countings become 2. Here. Okay, in here, countings becomes 2. Counting is, until counting is 3. No, 2 is not 3. 2 is not equals to 3. So, it will bounce up back to the repeat. Okay, and then print hello. Counting still 2, guys. And then here, counting is 3. Got it? Now, counting is becomes 3. Until counting is 3. So it stopped. Because counting is already 3. So it only print out twice. Hello when the counting is 1. And then this one is adding into 2. Okay, it bounces up because counting is not equals to 3. So this one bouncing and then print hello for the second time. And this one is adding. 2 plus 1 is 3. And here we stop. So if you want to print the same hello like this, you need to make it 0. So 0 becomes 1, and then 2, and then 3. So if you do this, this will print hello for the third time. Okay? But if you want to print hello without space like this, you can straightly put a comma here. Okay? But then, okay, it's not just the same like that. See the difference? So what happens if you put like this? You need to see line by line. This one, counting is 0, and then repeat, print, hello, counting. It means hello 0. Hello 0, and then you will add here 1. Okay, now counting will become 1. And then it bounces up here and then print hello 1. This one is adding, it become hello become 2. Okay, it bounces up here and then print hello 2. Hello 2. And then here counting becomes 3. So counting is until counting is 3, so it stops. So you guys need to be careful. Okay, if you wanted to make hello 1, 2, 3, you need to put this up. You see, guys, if the statement is in a different place, it will result a different execution. So you see, even this one is just Mr. David. I'm just flipping this up. Okay, consider my answer is correct. No. It will be different if you execute like this, and that it will be different. Okay? So if you want to make counting 1, 2, 3, you have to do like this. Okay, first counting is become 1, becomes 0. This one is 0, right? 0 plus 1. And then counting hello 1, 2, 3. Now, this one is repeat until. Now, let's go for the third one. The third one is while, do, and while. While, do, and while. Okay. Now, in the while, do, and while. Okay. This one, for, to, and next. Okay. This one is limited. Okay. You see, minimum 1, maximum 3. But this one, okay, you need to put this line and an extra line like this, and then until. Okay, until is 3. Now, while, do, and while is similar a bit to the repeat until, but the difference is, let me type. Okay, now here I'm going to type down while in capital. Okay, while what, do this line, and you see we put the variable at the end. You see next here doesn't have any more variable. Okay, after next there's no variable, and here in repeat until we put the variable after until. Okay, but repeat here there's no variable after that. Okay, but in the while, do, and while, you put the variable here and remove this one. Okay, you don't put it here. So while, do, and while. Beside and while is empty. Okay, while what? While counting, okay, equals to 3 to do this one. No. While counting is not 3, do this one. Okay, and then this one is a symbol of not 3. Okay, but what will happen if we execute this? I will give you a lot of alternatives later on. Okay, some of you say, Mr. David, if I put while counting is less than 3, can I do that? Or anything else? But then let's do this one first, one by one. Okay, while counting is not 3. Okay, first of all, here counting is 0. 0. Okay, and then while counting is not 3, of course counting is not 3 because it's 0. Okay, and then 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and print hello. Now we are going to write down hello. We are going to write down hello here. Hello. You see this one? Hello. And comma 1. Okay, hello 1. And while it bounds up, and then remember counting is not 1. While counting is not 3, of course counting is 1. Of course it's not 3. So we do this, counting becomes 2. Counting becomes 2, and it will print hello 2. Hello 2. After it's hello 2, it bounds up again. While counting is not 3, of course 2 is not 3. So do this one, counting becomes 2 plus 1. This is what this one is 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Print hello 3. Wait. This one needs space. Okay, now hello becomes 3. Hello 3. After hello 3, okay, counting with now 3, it's going up. While counting is not 3, do this one. If counting is not 3, if it's not 3, do this one. But counting is now 3. So we cannot do a thing. So it's done. Okay? While counting is not 3. But this one, the counting is 3. So don't do it because it's not, it is 3. So this one stops. I hope you guys understand about this loop structures: for to next, repeat until, while, do, and while. Okay? And in the next session, I'm going to explain about pseudocode password entry. And then we'll try to use this one: for to next, repeat until, while, do, and while. Which one is suitable to answer the question? Okay? I hope you enjoy my tutorial. And then if you like my tutorial, press like or subscribe. It will be nice. Thank you. Thank you very much.